Learn the names for many of the common foods we eat at Christmas in North America. How is your Christmas different? Do you have unique traditions? What are some other feasts that you celebrate with a special meal? Let's explore. What is this? This is a roast turkey, a centerpiece of many Christmas dinners. A turkey is like a chicken, but much bigger and often stuffed. What is this? This is stuffing. We mix ingredients such as bread, sausage meat, onions, celery, and sage together and put the mixture into the turkey. The stuffing cooks at the same time as the turkey, absorbing all the flavors. What is this? This is gravy. We make gravy from the turkey fat, broth, flour, and some salt. We pour the gravy over the whole dinner, enhancing the taste. What is this? This is cranberry sauce. We eat cranberry sauce with the turkey. Cranberries are a small sour fruit perfect for a tangy sauce. We cook the cranberries with lots of sugar to make cranberry sauce, balancing the tartness. What are these? These are roast potatoes. We bake the potatoes with some oil in the oven to make them nice and brown. What are these? These are Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are a green winter vegetable, often roasted or steamed. What is this? This is eggnog. Eggnog is made from eggs, cream, and sugar. Sometimes we add brandy or rum for an extra festive touch. What are these? These are mince pies. Mince pies are a sweet pastry made from dried and candied fruit and alcohol. What are these? These are gingerbread men, a classic holiday treat. A gingerbread man is a ginger cookie shaped to look like a person, often decorated with icing. What is this? This is a plum pudding, a rich, fruity dessert. A plum pudding is a Christmas dessert made from fruit, dried fruit, eggs, and sugar. We pour alcohol on the pudding and then set it alight, creating a spectacular presentation. What is this? This is trifle. Trifle is a Christmas dessert made from cake, custard, whipped cream, raspberries, almonds, and sherry. What are these? These are candy canes. Candy canes are made from sugar and taste like peppermint. What is this? This is a Christmas cracker. We open these with a loud bang at the start of Christmas dinner. Each cracker contains a joke and a small toy, adding fun to the celebration. These are some Christmas dinner traditions for many people in North America. What are some of your traditions? Find online lesson plans and other resources for your class of ESL beginners on the ESL Directions website.